In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock in Janitor AI. If you've accidentally blocked a bot or user, or you've simply changed your mind, this quick walkthrough will help you restore access in just a few clicks, with a couple of tips to keep things smooth and secure. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is the fastest way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the search bar, type Janitor AI. You should see the official website appear near the top of the results. Look for the correct domain name and a result that clearly references the service you use for AI chats. Click through to open the Janitor AI homepage. Once you're on the site, look toward the top right corner of the page. That's where your profile area typically lives. You'll usually see an avatar or a small profile icon there. Click it to open your account menu. If you don't see your profile icon, make sure you're signed in to the correct account you use with Janitor AI, since your block list is tied to your account. In the account menu, locate the option labeled Blocks. Go ahead and click it. This takes you to a dedicated page that lists the bots or users you've blocked. Think of this page as your control center for managing access. If you've blocked multiple items, take a moment to review the list carefully so you select the right one to restore. It's a good idea to double-check names and images so you don't unblock something you still want restricted. Next, find the specific entry you want to restore and click Unblock. That's the action that reverses the block and re-enables interaction. Depending on your setup, you may see a brief confirmation. Just proceed if you're sure. Unblocking generally takes effect right away. If you had an open chat with that bot or user before, you can go back to it and resume as normal. If the page doesn't update instantly, a quick refresh can help the list reflect the change. That's all there is to it. You navigated to the Janitor AI website through Google, opened your profile menu, went into Blocks, and selected Unblock next to the item you wanted to restore. As a final tip, consider why the block was there in the first place and make sure unblocking aligns with how you want to manage your chats and notifications. You can always return to the Blocks page later if you need to adjust things again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly get unblocked and back to chatting in Janitor AI.